You will receive 3 8.5 fluid ounce cans of detangler. Repair, protect, restore. Pantene Pro V Nutrient Boost Repair Protect Detangler helps resist breakage and damage. Lightweight formula helps detangle without weighing hair down. Stronger Strands contains antioxidants and helps hair stay stronger against damage, versus non-conditioning shampoo. Healthy-looking hair leaves you with lasting softness, smoothness and shine. Spray some repair into your hair care. Help stop damage with Pantene Pro V Nutrient Boost Repair Protect Detangler. This leave-in conditioning mist treatment separates hair strands for easy styling, and it helps restore your hair to be soft and smooth with a healthy-looking shine. Enriched with antioxidants to reduce protein loss, Repair Protect Detangler helps hair stay stronger against damage. The lightweight formula helps transform hair from dry and brittle to healthy and soft for a #Great Hair Day versus non-conditioning shampoo. Top reviews from the United States. Gist for me. I have let my short hair grow out. It is now more than halfway down my back. I love it. I needed something to help detangle it. This is perfect. Love the scent, fresh and clean. Makes my hair soft and very manageable.